Good morning, guys. Scuba Chris here. I'm ready to go whipping. I got my action hat on. I got my rig here by Akuma. It's a 8'6" Rockaway SP. This is the medium. Only weighs 4.4 ounces. I got my ITX spinner. This is 3000 size, 10-pound test braided eminent braid. And I got my, I'm going to be using grubs today. This is my, it's called Old Baby by CHL, completely hook lures. I love the hook keeper on it. Look, such a simple thing, but look at that. Double wired hook keeper. So, wish me luck.
Nice, cool, windy morning. Now this rod is only rated for 5/8 ounces. I'm using a 5/8 ounce lead, but you know what? It can handle more. Trust me, it can. Just from the feel, I can tell. So when I cast it out, you see, I know it's about 6 feet or so, maybe 7 feet there. Wait a couple of seconds, let it sink. Then I start bringing it in. When it gets closer to the edge here, I increase the retrieval speed because the 5/8 ounce lead will sink faster, and the hook and or the lead may hit the bottom or get caught on something. I love this action hat. Action hat was nice enough to send this to me.